Hi, this is Classic Techart, and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a world globe Lego design. So it is so cool and so modernized, but very simple design. If you pay attention to the end of this video, you can learn something from here. The number attack, let's begin today. We're today, I need to select first and a little bit smaller and keep to the counter side. Exactly, I would do this one like that. So we're to the I got to the over here. You see some details over here, but I need it just by pressing over here. You see ellipse tool. So we're to the I select this location. It's the center. It's indicating the center. So we're to the I just a little bit more like that, a bigger. But I needed to stop this like that, fill color. But I needed the well, I needed just to this color, stroke color. It will be more better. So what we're going to do, I just copy this one, I copy and paste. How I can shortcut by pressing Ctrl C and F is magic. You see how it's happening? Yes, it's okay. See, it's a very short technique. So it's so cool. I done it properly. See, now just like that. You see what is happening. You can imagine how I is done quickly, very quick, within short minutes. You see, I like that angle. But now we're running to the I go to the select this one and go to the with a tool like over here, add it just to middle side like that. I think it's okay. It's fine. You see how magic, and select this one like that and go to the over here and it's just put it like that a little bit. I think it's okay. You see how magic done. So we're ready to the I just select all the things, go to the object and go to the expand all the things and go to the shape tool and delete by pressing Alt key like that. You see, it's exactly done what I wanted. But I needed this angle, needed to cut this one, select this one, and copy by Alt just like that. Little bit, I think, little bit like that. I think it's okay. So what I'm going to do, I select all the things, go to the shape builder, and I just by pressing Alt key, cut this one. It's a magic. So now select this one and delete this one. You see exactly what I wanted. You delete the previous one. I just keeping this one, and you can imagine how it's happened. You see, this is so cool and it's so gorgeous, but a simple, just white and black color combination. So thanks for watching.